In this video, let me show you how you can add a timestamp to the photos on your iPhone. So when I open up my gallery, you can see all of my pictures in here. If I just tap on an individual image and swipe up on it, I can see some information about it, specifically the timestamp when it was captured. And I can click on adjust and change it a little bit, but that only gets us this far. It's still not like a timestamp over the photo. And if you want to do that specifically, I would recommend you to open up the App Store and look for an application, which is this one. It's called Date Stamper. And it is a free app you can download onto your device. You don't need like any subscription or any payment for it. You just get the app, continue. If it asks for the photo access, you'll likely need to give it the access if you want to use it. And now you can select the image and literally press the stamp button. It's gonna add the date information over your photo. So if I come back to photos, you can see in the bottom right corner, it now has the date of the image, right? So you know exactly when it was captured. And that's very useful because it barely shows it doesn't stand in the way, and that the information is always there. So that's how you can do this. Just keep in mind that inside of this application, you can also customize it. So if you click on the edit button, you can choose the different ways the date is formatted, as well as whether you want the time to be shown as well, because you can also enable that in here. And if you just do it like this, you'll have the ability to control how the stamp is going to go. So if I choose another image like this one and stamp it like this, it would look a little bit different. You can see that it now contains the date and a time. So very useful stuff. The app is free to use, so definitely give it a try. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next uploads.